Hey everybody, it's time again for another 12 days of holiday pop with me, Matthew Reinhart, and we're going to make a really cool snowman pop-up. What you're going to do first is you're going to download the templates. So you just click the link below, download the templates onto your computer, and print them out onto any color cardstock you like. There are two types of lines on the templates. There are solid black lines, and those are where you're going to cut. And there are dotted black lines, and that's where we're going to score. We're going to actually make the fold lines. So we're going to use a ruler and a paper clip. We're going to rub the edge of the paper clip along every one of those dotted lines on all the templates. Kristen's giving me a literal hand in making these pop-ups. Say hi, Kristen.
Hi.
She has gone through and scored all of the dotted lines. Once we're done scoring all the lines, the next thing you're going to do is get out those scissors and start cutting along all of those solid black lines, just like this. Take your time, don't cut yourself. And to get around some of those hard curves, you can watch how Kirsten's actually moving the paper, but she's keeping her scissors kind of in the same position so that it's easier for her to cut out all those little intricate parts. Now that we've got all of our pieces cut out and our base page, we're going to actually pre-fold everything. So we're going to fold the base page just like this, fold it down the middle. Perfect. And now we're going to fold this piece here. We're going to fold it like that and fold the tabs like that. This just helps our pop-up pieces know exactly which direction to go. So we're kind of giving them a little hint about where they're supposed to go. Next, we're going to use some craft glue, just a regular white craft glue, and we're going to paint on glue onto these little gray areas here. So let's start with the top. We're going to paint on a little glue. We're going to squirt it just within that gray area. Don't use too much glue. Keep it within the gray area. Line up these tabs on the bottom of this piece with those gray areas. They should fit exactly. And the other thing is, see that center line of the dotted line of that piece? We're going to make sure it lines up exactly with the base page center line. Next, we're going to glue in these two gray areas, just like so, in the middle. And you're going to see the tabs that fit exactly into place, just like so. Remember, the center fold line there. See that center fold line? Make sure that it's lined up with the center fold line of your base page. And glue down those tabs and let it dry a little bit. Let it, just take your time. Let it dry. And lastly, we're going to fold these tabs under. See how these tabs go under? We're going to glue on the base page just like this. Use just enough so that it doesn't go over the gray areas. And see that center line now at the bottom of the bottom snowball? Make sure it's lined up with the center of the base page, just like those other pieces. Press it down, make sure everything goes flat. Now, when you open and close your pop-up, this is how the pop-up should work. Now, when you're looking at your pop-up to make sure it works right, look at it from every angle. Make sure you see this is the way that your pop-up should work, just like this. See how it works? Awesome! Now the best part of all, decorating. You can add all kinds of stuff. You can add sequins. You can add decorations with markers. Oh, don't forget to add a carrot nose. We need one there. You can use markers. You can use crayons. You can use pens. You can use all kinds of different stuff to decorate. You decorate the card however you want to. Maybe I'll write a message in there too. What should we write there? Maybe we'll write a message on the inside. Have a jolly holiday. I love that. Decorate the outside too. Let it snow. Oh, I love that. Where I live, it doesn't snow. So this is the closest I'm going to get to getting my own snowman. I love it. Look at that. Can you believe it? Our very own snowman pop-up. Look at that. It's almost like it grows out of one snowball. Look, oh my gosh. It's so cool. It's like Frosty the Snowman is right here inside our card. Well, that's it, everyone. Look at that snowman. Well, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and Happy Holidays to everyone. This is Matthew Reinhart saying thanks for watching. And if you liked what you saw, make sure to hit like and subscribe. And if you're interested in more holiday pop-ups, check out some of my other videos. See you later. Let's make it pop.